Designer-style handbags have a special appeal. They carry the elegance, confidence, and polished look of high-end fashion, yet remain accessible and practical for everyday women. In this collection, we explore the latest designer-inspired bags that look luxurious without the luxury price tag. These are bags chosen for style, not labels. What makes these handbags stand out is their overall design quality. Clean silhouettes, structured shapes, and thoughtful proportions give them that expensive appearance. Many of these bags are inspired by classic fashion aesthetics, timeless designs that never feel outdated. The moment you see them, they give the impression of refinement and confidence. The finish plays a huge role in creating that designer look. Smooth surfaces, soft matte textures, and lightly grained materials instantly elevate the bag's appearance. These finishes reflect light subtly, giving a polished and well-crafted feel. Even without close inspection, these details make the bags appear high quality and stylish. Another key element is the hardware. Minimal yet elegant metal accents add a touch of sophistication. Gold, silver, or brushed finishes on clasps, buckles, and chain straps bring balance to the design. The hardware is never oversized or flashy. It's carefully placed to enhance the bag without overpowering it. This restraint is what often separates expensive-looking bags from ordinary ones. Color choices also help these bags feel designer-inspired. Neutral shades such as black, beige, nude, brown, and soft gray dominate this collection. These colors are versatile, timeless, and easy to style, which is why they're often associated with luxury fashion. Some designs also feature rich tones like wine, olive, or deep navy, adding depth and personality while still maintaining elegance. Structure is another detail that makes these handbags feel premium. Structured bags hold their shape well, giving a sharp and polished look whether carried by hand or worn on the shoulder. Even softer designs maintain clean lines, ensuring the bag always looks neat and intentional. This structure gives the impression of quality craftsmanship. Functionality is not sacrificed for style. Many of these bags offer practical interiors with enough space for daily essentials, making them perfect for work, errands, casual outings, or special occasions. Adjustable straps, secure closures, and comfortable handles ensure they fit seamlessly into everyday life while still looking fashionable. What truly makes these handbags special is their ability to look designer without relying on brand names. They prove that style is about design, balance, and detail, not logos. Women are increasingly choosing these bags because they offer elegance, versatility, and confidence without unnecessary cost. In the end, designer-style bags under budget show that luxury is a feeling, not a price tag. These handbags allow women to enjoy polished, fashionable looks while staying smart with their choices, proving that great style can be both beautiful and affordable.